This video has earned over $20,000 in the last 7 days by promoting this product on TikTok. It's actually crazy. It seems like everyone these days is making hundreds of thousands of dollars on TikTok, and the video style you saw is going viral and bringing in thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. Today, I will reveal how you can create videos that produce similar results, even if you have no editing skills. And don't worry, I will show you how to start this business from anywhere in the world. But first, let me blow your mind. There's this website called Kata that gives insight into trending products and how much money people are making. This account has earned $354,000 in affiliate commissions. The second has made $345,000, followed by $296,000 and $270,000. And those numbers are just for the last 7 days. So trust me, this is no joke. People are making serious money here. What blew my mind even more was this account right here. As you can see, it's a fairly new account with around 6,000 followers, which is not too impressive at first look. However, what's crazy is that in the last 30 days, this account has earned over $60,000 by promoting this coconut pulling oil for oral health. They did all of that without even having the product in hand. They create videos that rely solely on AI-generated images in the most used AI voice. This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day first. You would notice that your breath smells fresher. We can see this AI video generated $41,000 in revenue, and another brought in $117,000. So here's how you can create these types of viral videos using AI. Step number 1 is product selection, and this is the easiest step as there are thousands of options to pick from. Step 2 is writing a viral video script, and I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft scripts that convert. Step 3 will be turning the script we created into stunning visuals using tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT. In Step 4, we'll use InVideo AI to put everything together and create powerful videos in just a couple of minutes. Let's say you've done the research and decided to promote this Gurunanda coconut pulling oil, which has generated $1.8 million in the last 30 days. Not too bad, right? After that, you need to find a competitor video promoting your product that performs well. In my case, it's this one with 3.5 million views. Next, you need to transcribe the video script. You can either manually write down the script as you watch the video, or if you're using the same tool I'm using, you can simply click here to export and copy the script. Our goal now is to use this script as a template to write our own because, think about it, why reinvent the wheel if something is already working? To do that, we will open ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'm creating a 30-second TikTok video promoting your product. I want you to rewrite the following script using exactly the same structure, writing style, tone, and length. Here you need to insert the original script from the competitor's video. By using this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a script similar to the one that went viral. For example, the original script starts with, "This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day." And the one we generated begins with, "Ever wondered what happens when you make oil pulling a daily habit?" So it follows the same style but isn't a duplicate. At this point, you should have your script ready, and it's time to generate the visuals. What I usually do now is manually break down the script into lines. Each line becomes a scene, and for each scene, we need corresponding visuals. Make sure to keep watching as I will show you how to automate this step in one click. For example, the first line mentions oil pulling, so a compelling visual here could be a close-up of white teeth with oil dripping to grab attention. The second scene talks about fresher breath, which suggests freshness, so I think visuals of mint leaves or lush greenery could be effective. Now, when the script mentions the product name, it's best to include a clip of the product. I'll show you how to find these visuals a bit later. The process involves going through the script, highlighting the main keywords, and brainstorming visual ideas based on those. However, if you want to save time doing all of that, you can use the prompt you see on the screen, and this prompt will give you a detailed structure for your video, including all scenes and an idea of the visuals you can use. This method is guaranteed to save you hours. I spent some time on Midjourney and ChatGPT generating all the AI images needed for the video. Here on the screen are some of the prompts I used in case you want to create something similar. At this point, you should have a winning product, a powerful script, and stunning visuals. This means it's time to put everything together and create a masterpiece using InVideo AI, which is a tool that turns any line of text into custom videos. Create a 30-second TikTok video about teeth care and add subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. The tool then generates the script, voiceover, and edits all the clips for you. Imagine waking up to a fresher breath every day. That's the power of flossing. Regular flossing can turn bad breath into a morning delight. Say goodbye to yellow stains and hello to a confident smile. After signing up using the link in the description, you'll land on this page. Now in this box, you can enter a prompt and generate a video with just one click. But in today's video, we will use the workflows right here. As you can see, you can generate all types of videos: YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and so on. In order to generate this style of video, we will use the script to video workflow. However, if you want an in-depth tutorial where I explain everything about InVideo, I highly recommend watching the videos I'll link in the description. We all know that InVideo AI is smart enough to automatically generate your video script. However, using the script to video workflow, you can create a video using exactly your script. I'll open the workflow and start by selecting the type of video from this menu. For our example, we're creating a TikTok video. Next, I'll paste the script we generated previously in this field, just as shown. In this section, you can select the background music for your video. For example, it could be inspiring or motivational. Moving to the settings, you can choose the voiceover. InVideo AI offers a variety of voices to pick from. However, to add a personal touch and stand out, I'll use my own voice. Yes, you can actually clone your own voice and use it in your videos. Open the menu on the left-hand side and select Voices under Plugins, then click on Add Voice. Here you must upload a voice sample and mention that you give InVideo AI permission to use your voice, otherwise, it won't be accepted. After uploading your recording, accept the terms and click on My Sample Looks Good. InVideo AI will then verify everything and add your voice to the library. Now, under Settings, there is an option called My Voice, so I can select that and choose the voice I added. Just as you can see, when you are finished, click Continue and then generate a video. Now, let's talk about editing and final touches. Once InVideo AI has generated the video, you might want to tweak it a bit to ensure it aligns perfectly with your vision. Watch the entire video and note any scenes that need adjustments. Maybe the timing is off, or you want to add a specific visual effect. InVideo AI has an intuitive editor that lets you make these changes easily. For example, if a particular scene feels too long, you can trim it down. If you need to highlight a specific part of the text, you can add text overlays or animations. You can also adjust the background music volume to ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Adding these final touches can significantly enhance the overall quality and professionalism of your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits, it's time to export the video. InVideo AI offers various resolution options, but for TikTok, I recommend exporting in 1080p to ensure the best quality. Click on the Export button and wait for your video to render. After your video is ready, upload it to TikTok. Make sure to write a catchy caption and include relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging shares can also boost your video's reach. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and posting videos regularly, experimenting with different styles and products to see what resonates best with your audience. Track your performance and tweak your strategies based on what works. To sum up, creating viral videos on TikTok using AI is not just possible but can be incredibly profitable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online.